Menteri Badekmi yang tnad Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ke Sorkar Jela Ubasan Borsulai Luong bak Sorkar Jela kadang persang benyo symbai artificial insemination daki masi Ongole ben pynkhlaiñ ya ka kamri masi hak jela. Ya kane la pentep haba jubab di kamat yatai lingkot balawan ra do meli ke All India Trinamool Congress na umroi ba George Bilingdo halor ka jingkiu ka dor masi oddo hak jela na ka jingpetrika me ka Cattle Prevention Act arajar apuai da kejela asam ulong ba kejingora symbai Ongole kan kentio ya kamri masi pat ban nom shania hakwe pat ban penbiang masi ya kejela megalia shushu ba shulai ulong ba kidon hadu aspa prapotli kipermet kibla asi kinong khayi na kejela ban penia 20 ya kampen puai masi sya kejela.
So our government has made several interventions to make state self-efficient in beef production. So I am happy to inform this August House that the department has introduced 6 Ongole bulls on experimental basis to study the suitability of our weather condition. These Ongole bulls are housed at ICDP Integrated Cattle Development Project operational, and they are well adopted in our local conditions. With this success, we have procured 2,000 Ongole bull semen straw from Andhra Pradesh for artificial insemination of local cattle population to increase productivity and population of local cattle. Ongole bull is known for gaining weight of about 400 kg within a short time and is versatile in adapting to our local condition. I also inform that this August House that the Brazilian country has successfully adopted Ongole bull for revolutionizing beef production in their country. Now Brazil has emerged as the largest producer of beef in the world. Our department is now procuring 5,000 Ongole bull semen straw to expand artificial insemination exercise. With this semen in our state, with the introduction of Ongole bulls and other exotic breed bulls and semen straw in our state, we are very sure that our government will achieve self-reliance to beef production in short span of time.